Previously on Adrian's Pokemon Emerald walkthrough. Hi guys, I know again I'm doing a live way ahead of schedule. Usually it's 5 minutes, this time around it's a whole hour that I'm doing way before I should have started. I cannot be trusted. Also, you might notice there's something different, just a little thing. And if I may, I can just show you one thing from this. Even this is way too loud. You can maybe you light up my mouth like nobody else. I'm gonna turn it off because it's gonna heat up my brain or whatever. But that's nice. You can clearly see that I got a color scheme, red and black. But people would think that I'm a PewDiePie wannabe again. So let me know if there's something with the volume. I'm still getting used to the whole headset thing. And yeah, previously on our Pokemon Emerald walkthrough, we beat the 8th gym leader and we captured Rayquaza. So now we have now we're left with the Elite Four. Yeah, the E4. So let's go. Yeah, sorry. So I think I'd rather go back to most deep and then surf straight down. That would be easier. Also, my voice is kinda raspy. Sorry, that's not the corona. Hopefully. Let's go to the Elite Four. Should I get a Pokemon? No, I have everything. I need a Pokemon that can use Flash. There isn't many interesting Pokemon that can use Flash. Bug types, mainly. I think I'm gonna buy a lot of repels because I hate going through the Elite Four. Well, Victory Road. I will also need to teach a Pokemon to use Waterfall. I don't remember how much power it has. Hopefully it's good enough. Boosted up an HM. It contains Waterfall. Teach Waterfall. Yeah. Oh. Even Imperio can learn it. Should a move be deleted and replaced? Which move should be deleted? Charger is full with speed to climb waterfalls. I don't think we need dive anymore, but I can't delete it if I recall. Where is their move deleter? I don't remember where the move deleter is. But I like swords. Nah, it's fine. Crowdon doesn't have that much attack. It's not gonna change much. Now we only got water type moves. Think we can fight here? Yeah. Pretty sure we can. Through fishing I have attained a state of becalmed serenity. Please allow me to demonstrate. That thing is huge. Hopefully I get used to that. It's so weird. So weird. Such a gamer boy. Such a virgin thing. Leaf Blade. Again, I know I'm more than 1 hour ahead of schedule, but I figured today might as well do it earlier. I was free. I finished playing Overwatch and I was like, might as well. Tentacle did acid. Here's the Pokemon that I don't say the name of. Because I fear a lot of things. It's also really weird because I got like these big ears. Fisherman Jonah. Is there anything I can fight? No. Whoops! Don't tell me a snag is a surfing Pokémon. Cars used Leaf Blade again. Yeah, all we gotta do is surf down. But as I told you, I think I told you that I really like exploring these games, so yikes. But we're gonna be close to finishing this. It's already episode 17. I didn't feel like it, plus I took so many breaks that I really didn't feel like these were going by. Well, hey, this is a match between a Pokemon fan and a fishing buff. I'm not a Pokemon fan. I mean, I'm a fan of them, but like, have you seen the Pokemon fans in these games? Fucking weirdos. And you have level 15 Magikarps. I hope he's got at least one Gyarados. And my course, which was the late bloomer among the 3 starters, is level 49. At least 5 levels ahead of all the 2 others. Grass type Pokemon do catch up fast. At least one Gyarados. Yeah, lower my attack. Ooh. Sorry. Whoa, you can go over there. To do what? I forgot that I bought a lot of repels, whatever fuck that thing is, and I should use them. 36 left. So I can surf, can dive. Could you? Yes. Found one red shard. Put the red shard away. Light is filtering down from above. Well, that's about it. That's fine. Our aim is to get to Victory Road, so let's do just that. Can we fight him? Yes, we can. I can see it in your face. You want to challenge me. Push, swimmer. Camden. Wow. You look like a Camden. Was that racist against British people? No, it can't be. They used to own all the land. Still do, it's just as fun. For them. see myself on the screen and I look like such a pro gamer, like, damn, playing Pokemon. It's been, I think this one came in 2004, 16 years later. A real G-boy. What is this? Fights. Run in your bare feet, that will toughen up your souls. I'll boss. Hard pause. Black Belt Koji would like to battle, sending out Machoke. Okay. I think dog type moves. Nope. Doesn't work. Shit. Shit, indeed. This is what I do to people who beat me. I hope we can do this again. Register them. That's nice. That's not too hardcore, so I will take it. By the way, this week's video will be... Oh yeah, I did say it yesterday, so if you didn't catch that. But I'm yet to finish the script. Should work on that. Because I don't think I'll get time to record it on Saturday, so I should record it tomorrow. I'll see. Maybe there won't be a live tomorrow. Well, most certainly there won't. My schedule is kinda one day in, one day out. So, rather one day on, one day off. So tomorrow no live stream. I guess I'm gonna record around 7. It's better because like the weather is kinda favorable right now. Blaze kick. See, my Blaziken is only level 42. Nose paws, nose paws. Yeah, I should switch because Rocky is strong against fire because rocks don't burn. Muddy water. Can we fight? No, 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 no. Nobody to fight still? There's a lady here. Yes. Go cows. Dum, 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 dum. The Pokemon battle is grueling too. Yes, it is. When you lose, bitch. Well, I may as well make the best of this, unlike a rematch sometime. Aww. I think it's over there. Yeah, Victory Road should be over there. Definitely. Okay. Yes. The sunlight seems to be more harsh in this area. You're looking awfully tough. I wonder if I can win. Yeah, keep wondering. rather use Slash because I know this is gonna hit. Dum 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 da 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 dum. Tentacruel, the hentai Pokémon. The worst sense of humor on all YouTube. Or the best. Depends on who's listening. Cars grew to level 50 already. That's good, but still far from being enough. I couldn't see. Ouch, I guess it's impossible we win. Against me it's pretty hard, can't lie. Evergrande City. See, Emerald is the best. Even their victory road is named Evergrande. Not like Ariana, but you know, close enough. There is a Pokémon Center here. Is that Scott, my man? Hello and welcome to a Pokémon Center. We restore your type Pokémon to full health. Would you like to rest your Pokémon? Okay, I'll take your Pokémon for a few seconds. Thank you for waiting. We restore your Pokémon to full health. We hope to see you again. And should I get a Pokémon that can use Flash? I think. Sup. New setup, bitch. So weird, right? With my huge ass head. I need a Pokemon that can learn Strength, Rock Smash, and Flash. Can Wynote do that? Let's see. I don't think so though. Nah, no chance. Because I need that Flash. Just so I can show my PP. The headphones are huge! Wait, I do sound better, thank you. Finally, the sound is bearable, is decent, not bearable. Before doing this, I should have went and got... Nah, I don't think I'll need a Salamence. Will I? And even the Trapinch. I don't think I'll need them. But I don't want to go into that cave, that's so dark, without a Pokemon that can use Flash. Scott, Ads, you've clawed your way up to face the Pokemon League. I'm happy for you. You made my cheering worthwhile. Ads, if you were to become a Pokemon League champion, I'll get in touch with you then. It's like the Mafia. You'll make me an offer I can't refuse. Okay, Ads, go for greatness. I was watching The Godfather yesterday. It is the best movie of all time. Like, nobody can argue with this. It's the best movie of all time. Today I'm gonna watch the second installment. I can't wait. Maybe that's also why I started. Do we need Flash in this? I feel like we don't. I'm gonna watch the second. I did the live a bit earlier so I can finish earlier and go and watch The Godfather. Because I can't keep sleeping at like 3 in the morning at least, because that's problematic. Oh. Hey old friend. Hi Ads, I bet you're surprised to see me here. I made it all the way here and it's all thanks to you. Ads, losing to you that time made me stronger. But I'm not going to lose anymore. Big words. I'm going to win for a Pokemon who gave me courage and strength. Okay, here I come. Famous last words. Wally would like to battle, sending out Altaria. I didn't get a Pokemon with... Yeah, I don't think I did get a Pokemon with... What did I mean? With Ice Beam yet. I should give that to Diavolo already. Altaria used Aerial Ace. Yep. Oh, I do have Blizzard though. But Blizzard has a chance of... I did connect. Should be fine. Beam. Bitch. Altaria fainted. And even if I get a Salamence now, I won't have enough time to, unless I make that playthrough go for a real like 40 episodes, I won't have time to just go and, you know, and level it up to level, I think level 55 is when it becomes fully evolved. Blaze kick. Pokemon trainer Wally is about to send God of War. Gonna use Course, cause Course has got Pursuit, which is a dog type move. Wally is now God of War. Let's just use Pursuit. That did sound super effective, but that only did like 30%. Ooh, shit. Future Sight. It should be fine. It's not that dangerous. Hopefully Leaf Blade can finish that God of War. Shit! Psychic is always so... as you can see, is always so worrying. Like, I'm very scared when I see a Pokemon that can use that. Die, please. Thank you. Because I need to change Pokemon. There's no way Course can survive at Future Sight now. Delcatty. Don't really remember if there's something particularly good against Delcatty, but I'm just gonna go with 2 Blaze Kicks. Dio took the Future Sight. Shit. That's fine. Blaze Kick. Whoa, that was close to being enough. Use Aerial Ace. Oh shit. Oh shit. It is super effective. And Wally's gonna use a full restore. Wally, you should save these. Why would you get a Delcatty? I feel like I didn't train him properly. By that I mean beating him up enough. For Delcatty fainted. And I think that's his loss. Oh no, Magneton. Okay, I'm gonna try and use Overheat. Hopefully it's enough, because with 22 HP I don't think we can do much more. Good. Magneton is Steel type. Electric and Steel, so that helps. Good. And I don't think there are any Pokemon weak to fire in the Elite Four, so... I couldn't beat you today, ads, but one of these days I'll catch up to you. Yes! One thing for sure, Wally, you're having me go back to the Pokemon Center, cause now I gotta heal. Hello and welcome. Restore your Pokemon to full health. Thank you, my lady. 23 minutes already paused. Do you think that in around 35 minutes we can go and... we can't beat the Elite Four within this episode. There's no way this is gonna happen. But do you think we will get to finish the victory road? That's already big. Fighting? Yeah, Repel. Maybe I should have gotten more. I don't know. Can we fight already, mister? I didn't come all this way to lose now. That possibility doesn't exist. You do sound like a little cunt. Cool Trainer Albert would like to battle. Cool Trainer Albert and our Magneton. Okay, I'm gonna have to switch out from the first Pokemon. Chaos, that's enough. I'm gonna use Blaze Kick, that's it. Shit, my favorite status effect. Plus when you use this, I think you can't miss. Good. Good. Mech. I don't think I've got any Pokemon that's particularly good against that. It's just come reversed. Literally. So I guess I should go with Seth? Maybe? Hopefully? Well, I tried, didn't I? Is that minimize that effective already? I'm definitely gonna need to remove Muddy Water and get Ice Beam though, cause oh my god, 2 Muddy Waters didn't connect. Cause Blizzard, since it's only got like 70 or 80 accuracy, it's not gonna be practical when I'm gonna face 5 Dragon type Pokemons in a row. And now I'm poisoned badly too. Please, Muddy Water, thank you, Muddy Water. And over minimize. And I'm gonna get hurt by poison. Okay, please. Oh my god. Why do you stay stationed into the thing? Fuck. I'm not gonna be able to defeat it. And DU is paralyzed. And I don't want to use Rayquaza that easily. I forgot that Gross was weak against poison. Okay, I'm just doing that so I can get that Leaf Blade, because after that, course is... So this goddamn Muk is gonna get all my team. He won't. Of course there's Rayquaza, but I don't want to get to Rayquaza. Definitely we won't be ending the victory road in that episode, since I'm not able to roll over that little bitch. Wow. And even Dio is gonna die now. With fucking Muk. Yeah, I'm gonna use Groudon. At least I'm not gonna let him get me with one attack. And even dive. Oh my fucking god. No, I'm not gonna use Rayquaza to beat you. Okay, Diavolo, please. Anything. Something, anything. You start the fight and get hurt. Yes. Fucking Muk. But one thing, that's proof that if you can use your Pokemon properly, you can win most battles. But now I gotta go back, because even Diavolo is gonna faint. Okay, chill. I get it, it's poison. You don't have to twitch my screen like this. Hello and welcome to the Pokemon Center. 30 minutes. Let's see what we can. Let's see how far we can go in 30 minutes. We hope to see you again. How do these people go back home? Does this nurse like stay on this rock for everyone who's about to start the victory road? The questions nobody asks. Can't go there. The only way is up. The movie. Oh. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna use another one. One max elixir. Maybe also I should switch my starting Pokemon here, just so these two can level up a bit. Because they're gonna have to be at least level 50 for the Elite 4. that didn't lead me very far, did it? Okay, that's Wadi, and that's a lady who wants to get her ass beat. This seemingly infinite and harsh road lives up to its name of victory. It is Victory Road in the end. Oh yeah, Jeremy, in case you didn't see. G-boy. But like, I'm gonna switch it up. Thankfully I put Dio first. Blaze kick! Your battle style is fantastic. I know. Yeah, I need flash. I don't want to get... You can see how reluctant I am to get in my bag and get this thing. Of course, he's the only one that can learn it. At least I'm more with a spoiler. I do! Those little Nissan March. So we're really gonna have to see if why Note can learn that many moves. I don't think it can. If I recall right, it can't learn shit. Which PC should be accessed? Teach Flash to a Pokémon. Well, I know it can't even learn Flash, so... Ninkada already knows Flash, but I still need Machiana just so I have his strength. Do you need strength in this cave? I really don't remember. But for the sake of continuity, I'm gonna leave Rayquaza here. Don't really need it. Now for Ice Beam. I don't have Ice Beam. Okay. I do have Blizzard. Okay, I don't have Ice Beam. I'll see. Yeah. No, not the bug. Put some light in this bitch. Thank you, Ninkada. Yeah, you do need strength. "25 minutes. Can we make it out of Victory Road within 25? You have me do all this to get a jewel. To win your way through the Pokemon League, you need the trust of your Pokemon. Hopefully I do have that. Cool trainer Shannon would like to battle and send out Claydol. Okay, I'll need to switch. To switch. Chuck. There are few things more satisfying than the switchers click. Very few things. Okay, Claydol just did LSD, it seems. Super effective. The new defense rules. Hopefully muddy water will not take that into account. Yeah, it didn't. Oh my god. Yeah, Sunstorm's not gonna do much on my ground type Pokemon, is it? Silly Claydol. Of course, you're gonna restore. Poof. What's nothing? And now it's gonna use Psychic. Oh no. Good. Bitch. Yeah, everything rose. I'm still gonna kill you in the next hit. With the next hit, so. You go faster too. Yeah, great. A relationship is based on solid trust. Thank you, lady. That and keeping them in a Pokeball, and if they don't want to fight, I'm gonna leave them there for longer. So abuse. I can't use the PP yet, because my bag is too full. Of course. Let's use the PP max on Blizzard. Found one PP up. I guess we can just jump here. Wait, let's see what there is there. Yeah, can fight you. I thought that I'm getting closer to the Pokemon League. I'm getting stage fright. Let me guess, you two have only like 1 or 2 Pokemon max and you think you're gonna take on the league. Oh no, you do have 3. Taken aback. Go Dio! Swallow will go faster than me, yeah. And he's gonna hit me hard. But I'm gonna hit harder. Yeah, let's see. Ah, another future sight. Let's try and beat them in 2 turns then. Yikes. Yeah, we're definitely gonna take that future side face first, so. Now you use Psychic. Does decent damage. Mawile, I think you're a steel type, right, Mawile? "20 minutes, can we make it?" I don't think so, but we'll go as far as we can. Yeah, you couldn't do a thing but stole me. Is that where... Let's see. Ooh. Thankfully, my most loyal Pokemon is here. A Foresto. That must be where the cool trainers found them. If they can use that many. Yeah, I got it. Where are we? Oh, we're back at the start. Oops. Yeah. Ominous. You shouldn't get complacent just because you have a lot of gym badges. There's always going to be someone who's better than you. There's always a bigger fish. That's me, the bigger fish. Sand Slash. I'm gonna have to switch again. Oof. Was a bit tight on the head. Dio grew to level 45, that's good. Now Eltropius. Well, I wanted diversity for so long, I'm getting it. Ninetales was pretty buff. Yeah, again, what a surprise. Twice. Okay, let's use a takedown then. Just to make sure we can kill that bitch. That's a bitch because it's a female Ninetales. You're better than me. Thank you, lady. Oh, we can surf here, but we can also take the... No, we can't really go up there then. The water is dirty blue. Diavolo, please. Can surf, I can use waterfall here. Of course I will. I earned it. Fight. Oh. I train together with my whole family, every one of us. I'm not losing to anyone. Are you a win straight? Cool trainer Vito Corleone. Is it the Don? Please, Dodrio, don't go faster than I do. These don't make sense. For example, Dodrio and Doug Duo, stuff like that. Doug Trio. How can you evolve by gaining another sentient part of yourself? Like, What's the logic? Good. Electro. Yes, let's switch, cause I'm not that prepared. I guess you can still use Sonic Boom. Don't want to take that hit. Connected. I should be okay. Yeah, sorry, my OBS just got disconnected for no reason. The connection should still be fine. I'm connected with a LAN. Blaze kick, and it didn't connect. Great. Way to go. Oh, that's why you were taking hits that well. I forgot about it. But there's not much you can do. Dio grew to level 46. Not bad. Better than my family? Is that possible? Yes. There's more than your family to the world. Can you understand that? Let's put away the whole full heal. I don't have hyper potions, so I do, because I do need them. Ooh. I don't think there's repel, yeah, blah blah blah. We can actually go here. Where does that lead us? So let's do that first. Where do you lead? To a Pokeball. Fine. Psychic. Good. Just in case there's something on one of these rocks. Nothing. Let's fight. I'd heard that there was a tough little kid around. Do they mean you? You're in a cave. How did you get the word? 49 minutes. Let's see. Kek, Leon. Go Dio. Kono Dio da. Dio you slash. Wow. So pity of him to return with the same move. And then to faint. Graveler, okay. Diavolo should be able to manage with just one serve, I guess. Sorry. It's not that I lack concentration or focus, it's just that whenever these fights take too long, I just want to do something meanwhile. Something I mean checking memes. Wayload. Wayload is a bit like me, because I'm a gay load. When you accelerate a good enemy, there's something. Oh shit. This missed, but I went too fast. Good, I go fast. Yes, I was also a big Sonic fan. Ooh, finally a drill battle. Wait, I don't think Dio has a lot of HP. Yep. Well, it was fine, but you know, better safe than sorry, and I've been known to take a lot of risks for nothing. The elite among the elite gather in this cave. How are you finding it? I've come this far, but the tension is giving me awful stomach ache, stomach pain, whatever. Slash on Medicham, Surf on them both. But I think Surf is gonna get Dio2. Shit. Gonna Dioda. He's gonna die. Please don't die. You're so sexy. Haha. Oh, he didn't. I think it's just muddy water then. Good. Claydol skill swap. It's useless. Good. Wow. Oh yeah, I forgot. Slash can crit. Lantern. Slash. Hopefully Slash is enough to kill it, because I don't know if you can get... Oh shit. That Lantern is beefy. Oof. Please don't be paralyzed. Thank you. I'm done with... How dare you? I only have like 5 minutes left. Ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna watch The Godfather. Faris' second part of his show is out. Faris is a French comedian that I like a lot. Go and watch him, you'll get that we share the same sense of terrible humor. No, I'm not gonna learn Protect because I don't use beach ass moves. Cool trainer Dion, send out, nah, not rattle in the least bit. Oh, it hurts, at least you admit it. Only good thing with Victory Road, oh well, only good thing. A good thing is that you get a lot of money. You must be getting a little tired, because the trainers there are actually pretty strong, so you gotta get paid in consequence. What type of Pokeball is that in her hand? It's not like mine, because it's yellow at the bottom. Good, Scott Murray. Who's gonna take a fucking Blaze Kick to the face? Only 3 Blaze Kicks left. 2 now. Gotta start saving my Blaze Kick. Oh, that was not bad though. Sableye. Let's try and kick this bitch to death too. No, we're gonna go with Overheat and... No, shit! Mash the button again. Oh, good. Only 1 left though. Dear to level 47. No signs of tiring at all. What can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. Ha! Oh, okay. You have to come here anyway. And can go here, which is what? Where do we go when we go here? This isn't the goal. It's only a place on the way to the Pokemon League. Okay. So I guess she's telling me that this is the wrong way, right? Okay, we're gonna go a bit more than 1 hour because I got a webcam now. I don't have to worry about the battery running out. So let's run until we actually exit the victory road. Plus, I should have started the live now, actually. Because I'm such a dick, but I started it 1 hour early. My fans love me. I hope the next video I'm doing is gonna be good. That next ASMR. It's super effective. I think maybe I will live stream Overwatch after, and you can see how much of a pro gamer I am. I'm alright with Overwatch. Like I'm really a team player on this, and like if a team is not behind me, I'm gonna play like shit. I'm gonna play. I won't know what the fuck I'm doing. Please don't use. Okay, Nature Power is gonna turn into Shadow Ball. I was expecting a Swift. What does fall with that? My SPD defense. Dynamic Punch! Wow. Please hit yourself. Can't you help a brother out, Ludicolo? You're just a stereotype. Ludicolo, a stereotype Pokémon. Now you're gonna even use a full restore. Good. Another slash should do the trick, hopefully. Oh my god, I could have put a bet on this one. For Ludicolo fainted. Another Pokemon? Okay, we can keep fighting, I guess. Medicham doesn't have high defense, so slash that bitch. It's alright. Mind Reader, which does what? Nothing. Prevents you from evading. Would make sense. Player defeated Cool Trainer Michelle. That's the way. That is the way. Anyone watch The Mandalorian? Fucking fantastic show. Plus the OST. Chef's kiss. My Pokemon are cosmically awe-inspiring. Okay, no need to get your back up. Relax, let's take it easy. Gamer mode on. I should keep that for the Elite Four actually. Cool Trainer Mitchell and Cool Trainer Hale. Hale. Whatevs. Hedge. Yes, big ass headset. Hi, Le Moi. You just joined where I'm about to close the stream. Because as soon as I exit, I've been streaming for 1 hour now. Yes, for 1 hour exactly at the moment. I know I started early because I just wanted to wrap up early so I could go and watch movies. You'll forgive me. Check. Oh my god! This is punishment for me saying I'm gonna fuck off in a few. You're not late. I am early, to be honest. But you can rewatch the whole thing. I don't think it's interesting to rewatch it, but you can rewatch it if you wanna. Promise, tomorrow I won't be starting. Jesus, that Leaf Blade was fantastic. Tomorrow I won't be starting that early. Today I just did that because I wanted to try and go and sleep a bit early today. By sleep early, I mean like 1 AM. So, you're not late. It's not your fault. It's mine. Sol Rock. Should be fine to just use Leaf Blade on you. Because you're a ground type, right? Ground and psychic. Oh yeah, Le Moi, if you didn't realize. Cars grew to level 51. Cars trying. No, we don't learn these pussy ass moves. These bitch ass moves. We're too cool of a trainer to do this. I've never met anyone like you before. You should go out more often. Wow, wonderful. Wunderbar. What is there down there? Why would I be flexing on you? This thing is really too big though. Since I ordered it and it got delivered, I couldn't really check it on the spot. But, you know. Where am I? Please, do have at least one revive. Not a max revive, just a revive so we can... I don't have any. Ah. Sorry. Guess I'm gonna use that max revive. I've made it this far a couple of times, but the last stretch is so long. What do you mean? How much do I have to still go on for? Cool trainer Edgar would like to battle. Cacturn. No, stop, because you already used it all up. Overheat. Like every teenager on TikTok. Overheat. That was a really mean joke against kids. Palipa. Anyway, I would have had to switch. Go Chaos. Cool trainer Edgar, so now Palipa. Leaf Blade, that bitch. Of course. Please. Twice. In this walkthrough, my luck has been terrific. I forgot what stockpile does. Oh my god, of course you're gonna use a full restore. All of you rich kids do that. I have the decency of using it out of battle. Defeated cool trainer Edgar. My dream ends here again. Okay. Double battle, but you can... Okay. I have nothing to say to anyone that's come this far. Come on. What is a victory road? I'll tell you if you win. Why did I stutter when I spoke? What is the victory? I know I didn't stutter, but I like stopped mid-sentence for no reason. What do you mean flood? You mean flow gang, not flood gang, right? Flood or sitting gang. I am chair gang, can't you see? I have to be. Shit. Slacking is faster than Diavolo and it's got... Okay, thankfully can't hit that hard. But God of War has terrific defense. Wow! That was smart. Impressed. I'm really impressed. Yeah, great. I guess both of them have a restore, so... For slacking, use Thunderbolt. Wow. That was a gift, wasn't it? Thing is, since you swapped with that God of War, now God of War has Truant and can't can't hit 2 turns in a row, bitch. Shot yourself in the foot. Okay. Let's try surf. Good. I was scared you wouldn't connect. Fooders clubs fainted. Bye, bitch. Thank you. Oh, I forgot. And it's a slacking. Dynamic punch and takedown. Thank you. Super effective. And enough to kill you. Great. Diavolo grew to level 47. This is a disgrace. Okay, well done. What's up there? Is it? That's the exit. But there's something I didn't get to visit. Sorry, but I'm just gonna go real quick back in. Well, you should be happy, because as soon as I exit that thing, I'm gonna end the live. Yeah, I had to leave Rayquaza in the PC because I needed to use... Wait, I'm dumb. No, I'm not. I know what I'm doing. I needed to get Nincada rather, so I could use Flash. Because it's too dark in this bitch. Lucky you used Strength. Because there was one thing I wanted to check. There was a ladder that led to somewhere I didn't go and actually inquire about. Yeah. Come from here, do I? Oh, that's just that. So if you do that, you finish first. Right? Yeah. I can just take a longer route, that's basically that. Hopefully I'm not wrong about what I'm gonna do. And it's gonna make me exit on the right side. It did! And here we are in Evergrande City. Entering Pokémon League, Center Gate. And it's been more than 1 hour, and I'm sorry if I started earlier today. I'm gonna talk to them first though. Beyond this point, only those trainers who have collected all the gym badges are permitted to enter. Trainer, let us confirm that you have all the gym badges. Go on, I'll wait. That music is fantastic. Believe in yourself and your Pokemon and go forth. Okay, but it's been 1 hour and 10 minutes. I'm sorry I started earlier today. I'm not gonna do that again. It's gonna be 8:30 tomorrow. No, it's not gonna be, there won't be a live stream tomorrow because tomorrow I'm shooting the next video. That's gonna come out on Saturday, so there's gonna be a live stream on Saturday. But except for that, I think that's gonna be all for me for today. Again, I'm sorry. I just wanted to finish a bit early so I wouldn't go to sleep too late, which is still gonna happen. I should take that off, but I think you can still hear me clearly enough. Thanks for being with me today, as usual, and I'll see you the day after. Okay? Okay. Yo. It didn't close the live stream, so I'll do that again. Yo.